What's going on, guys? So back with a video. So if you saw our last video, I teased that we got this box in, and it's actually something for the go-kart. So let's go ahead and bust into this, and then I'll tell you all about the new workbench that I just built. This thing is huge. So this is the new fuel tank for the go-kart, and this is a 9.5 gallon tank. So this is massive. Damn, boy, she thick. So these are just some basically ribs that go around it, and you run your hardware right through there to however you're gonna bolt it to your frame. So we'll show you what we're gonna do with this on the go-kart. So I'm about to head over to Brent's, but first I'm gonna show you the workbench and what's going on with the garage, because lots to come, so we can start working on the pre-runner again. Spent all day Saturday building this new workbench for the garage. So first things first, obviously this whole area is just going to be taken up for workspace, but most important thing, we got the fridge. Got lots of bubblies, some nice Busch Light, needs to be restocked. So then we got, so this is basically 10 feet on the front board to our angle, and then we have a full 12 footer in the rear. So it's just 4x4s with 2x6s and then 3/4 inch plywood on the top, and I just kind of recessed it. So I just, got a 3/4 inch lip on the 2x6 to raise it up. It's not perfect, you can see right here, lip's not great, but pretty happy with how it turned out. It's going to be a nice working area, and it is rigid, it is solid, it's not going anywhere. So the other thing I picked up, which this is actually going to be Grace's for her tattoo shop, but got this Husky toolbox, and I actually ordered a blue one because it was a little bit cheaper, and I was actually able to get a good deal on this one because this had a little dent, was the floor model, so I took 50 bucks off. But came with factory casters, but it made it too tall. So what I did was I took these little rubber spacers that I had that I was going to use on the trailer, went and got longer bolts and bolted it down. So I really don't intend on moving this toolbox at all. It's going to stay stationary right there, so I figured makes it the perfect height. I can still get into it, a little bit of gap, not that I'm going to put anything on there, but nice. It's got plugs, power strip right there. So that's the toolbox set up. So we're going to be getting rid of this just kind of rollable cart that I had for a while. It's just not big enough for all the tools that I have. So other things we're going to be running down here is got our air compressor, shop vac, and I got a gap here, so eventually when I get a welder, it'll probably get tucked underneath here, and then just a decent sized trash can will go right there. Obviously we got all of the cabinets and stuff up there, so kind of limits my space now, but once I start clearing a lot of this junk out, someone still wants to buy that, hit me up on Instagram, Racing Simulator. I still have a lot I need to clean out of here, so I need to get all the extra stuff into the shed, into storage. But yeah, this is the new workbench. It's going to be great working on stuff. I can still reach at everything. Let's go ahead, head over to Brent's and mount up our new gas tank so we can finally drive the go-kart again. So next big upgrade, be able to use it. After this, you can get that new engine. I mean, I knew 9 gallons was going to be a lot, but I feel like even in a gas can, that thing was huge. Dude, I know. I was like, holy shit.
I mean, nicely made.
Oh, yeah. I was like, dude, we're going to ride for days on that thing.
I mean, even when we upgrade motors, I mean, yeah, we're going to, lose fuel economy,
but okay. Now, like, literally, we're going from a couple liters to 9.5 gallons. Like, damn. She's thick.
Thumbnail.
That was probably the lamest looking sip ever, but I'm doing this all one-handed. Alright, it's project time.
So for the time being, we could bolt it.
Yeah. So we just gotta cut the battery box out, and
I mean, if you want to use this, you wanted to use this what, this weekend?
yeah.
Then worst case, you just have the cables all tucked down there, hook it to the battery, start it, and then take the cables off, and you don't have to ride around with the battery. Once it's started, it's started.
Huh?
It's a valve.
It's in my back pocket, yeah. There you go. Said it was a 1/4 inch. I figure you got some like thread tape or whatever.
Yeah, but we'll have to see if that's good for fuel.
That's a good question, yeah.
You know, I got tape and dope.
Okay.
So, I mean, yeah, we're gonna take the Dremel and trim that.
Yeah. Not by much though. It looked like it was, I mean, decent amount. But
Not as much as I thought.
No. Okay. Yeah. For some reason, I was thinking this was gonna be more flush.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have to take a significant amount off. But honestly, we could just put it in the vise and take the bench grinder to it. Almost give it that same It starts flowing.
Alright.
Ready?
Good.
Yeah, it smells flooded right now.
Good.
Why the fuck did that get pinned? What the fuck just happened?
Oh, I just got ran over and you ran into your truck.
Are you alright?
I'm good.
What the fuck was that? Oh. Jesus. I just like was doing, I was like, off. What the hell?
Alright.
Oh,
Maybe it was just yeah, that's a good point.
Oh, dude, that.
Sticky? Right here?
Now let go. Okay, now it's going.
Go use the pedal. That's fine.
It was stuck
Dude,
though. I
want to see what's crazy?
I had to adjust it right here because it was pulled so far forward, and I think it just got stuck.
You want to see what's crazy? So watch the distance I can pull the throttle. Okay. You notice?
Well, that looks broken.
Yeah, but watch. Do you see the distance between there? Now watch when I use the pedal. It's like half.
Oh yeah.
Have we only been getting half throttle this whole time?
Very possible.
Is your
So.
truck fine?
Yeah, I just nicked the plastic with the headlights. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Battery's broke though. I didn't see that.
Oh.
When it fell and you ran it over. Well, now we gotta get a smaller one.
Yeah.
Alright, well, you want to pull your truck forward and see if if it pins it, just...
Yeah.
Keep my foot on the brake this time.
Alright, you ready?
Good. Good. How are you? Alright, we are on our way to O'Reilly's? AutoZone? Which one?
O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly's. We're going to pick up a new battery because, as you probably saw, there's a little bit of throttle stickage. Vinny ran me over, dropped the battery. Anyway, so we got to get a new battery because the lead's broke. So we're going to get a smaller one that fits in the factory location of the go-kart. That way it's not bouncing around on top anymore. So yeah, we're going to get a new battery, put that on, and it should be good to rip this weekend.
I need a place to mount that other harness. Now that I'm looking at it, there's no tie down point. Gotta figure something out for that, but alright, let's see if she cranks over now with the new battery. Alright, now we're prepared to get scared the shit out of it. Oh, your ball's in the way.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on. There we go. Yep. There we go. Yep. Come on.
One more foot.
There you go. There you go. All right, right here. Right here. Yep. Get in there and sit. Get in there and sit.
Just go. See what he does.
He's gonna freak the fuck out. Not open the gate over here for me?
Yeah. Just kidding, folks. Soulmate right.
We didn't put a ton of fuel in it, but there's no way we are.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there's still tons of gas. So I'm an idiot and I had closed the fuel line, so now that that's open again, it should start. So let's find out.
You just went over the fucking cinder block.
I know. Gotta warm up. Wanna go for a ride?
Yeah.
Alright, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. So we got this all installed. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out one of our other go-kart videos. If you're new to the channel, go check out what we got going on with my pre-runner. I think if you like this go-kart, you're going to love my truck. I'm Vinny with Caswell Customs. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
No. Pretty Caroline. Oh, 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 oh. It's free real estate.